Hey friends, my name is Andrea Ansel and I'm the Director of Design here at FTD. Today I'm going to show you how to create one of our gorgeous and bright bouquets, Hello Sunshine, as part of our spring collection. When looking at the finished design of this bouquet, I can't help but to think of a glass of fresh squeezed lemonade on a hot summer day. Or maybe that's just something I'm wishing for. As always, we'll be inserting our flowers by size, starting with the largest and most substantial all the way down to the daintiest of blooms. Our only exception to this is the sunflowers at the end, just so they can pop above the other flowers to give the bouquet a little extra height. Before we start, we'll grab our cinched vase, which is part of our signature collection here at FTD. And as always, we're going to make sure it's filled about 3/4 of the way with room temperature water. First, we're going to take our salal tips and start to create the base of our grid for this bouquet. These make a great addition to any long-lasting arrangement and are super versatile. Remember, as we add to our vase, we want to make sure the greenery doesn't drop below the water line. Next, we'll move on to the white daisy palms. Something about these remind me of summer days when you're doing long highway drives and pass a field of wildflowers. Something about them is just so inviting and lovely. Then we'll follow up with the yellow daisy palms. This bouquet is really made for everyone, whether you're giving it to the one who brings sunshine to every day or the grumpiest of grumps. Next, we'll add our green button palms, which for some reason always make me think about Kermit the Frog because of the 2 shades of green. Once we finish with the palms, we're going to move on to our sunflowers to bring in that feeling of the bright days ahead. They are also some of our biggest flowers, so their placement throughout the arrangement is key to the natural feel of this bouquet. Finally, we'll add the solidago, rounding out our yellow creation with a flower whose translation means to make whole or heal. That's one of the reasons why I chose this in particular. I'd like to think the colors and beauty of this arrangement does just that when the day isn't so bright. And just like that, we're finished with our cheerful bunch. Hello, sunshine.